Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to easily find a formula in your Excel spreadsheet. So, depending on the size of your spreadsheet and how complicated the data is, it could be useful to be able to just easily click and identify where in your massive data where there are formulas. And it's something that's very easy to do and something that can be very helpful. All we really have to do in order to do that is at the top of the workbook here, yes, you'll see it says formulas. You just have to click on that, and then over to the right here on show formulas, we're going to go ahead and click that. And so this is going to expand our cells here a little bit, but it's going to go ahead and show us where in our cells have formulas. So we can see that there's kind of a mixture here of some hard coded data in there, but then we also have a couple formulas operating. And we can see that maybe there's something wrong with one of our formulas here. This was showing an error before, and you can see the little green there's in the corner. It looks like there's an error in the value. So this is an easy way to identify what's going on and trying to figure out, we can compare that to everything else. We can see that it's calculating the wrong columns. But anyways, you can go through and look and just kind of see what each formula is showing. And so that can be super helpful as well. And so definitely a nice little trick to know as you're trying to validate data and just ensure that everything's accurate and your formulas are operating as you would like them to. So hopefully this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.